sure the coating all balls up and whatever. So my car is currently with Sean at Royal Details, and he's been an absolute legend while it's being done, and he's lent me this. He's 172, and I used to have one of these, and just even though this is stripped out stuff, this is his track car and stuff, but even though it's stripped out and all that, I do miss these things. Listen to that. Oh, I miss my one. I just miss that cam lift, like where it just hits, and like he's running a similar to what I was running, like a K-Tech Stealth, and like a relocated open filter. It just sounds so good when it comes on cam. But yeah, he's been a legend, and he's lent it to me, and it's been bashed all day at Snetterton on Sunday. He took me out in it as well, and he's letting me use it, potter around in it while my car's being sorted. So, top boy.
The next day.
Good afternoon. You join me from inside Sean's 172, and I'm just on my way to give him it back. The Clio's all done. It's looking mega in all of the little videos and stuff that he's sent me. So I'm looking forward to seeing it, and it's been nice to potter around in the 172 for a couple of days, but it's been great to poodle around in, just relive some memories. Yeah, you? And it's going to rain all week, so I might as well get on with it. But it's all been waxed and stuff as well, so hopefully the water behaviour should be good. But yeah, he's done me a solid. Long story short, well, in more detail, the ceramic coating got all marred. I don't know whether it was a problem with the coating, and there was like high spots in it, in the coating that was applied, and there was all markings in it, there was all like swirls in it. It all gone wrong, and I couldn't believe it when I saw it in the sun. Once the sun hit it, I was really like, wow, okay, something's gone wrong here. But yeah, Sean's been a legend, and sorted me out with a little run around while it's in there, but as well he's smashed that out in a couple of days. 2 days he's had the car, so been doing long hauls on getting it back to where it should be. There was a couple of like surface marks since I got the car. Like Sean did a stage 1 detail on the car like a month after I bought the car. I've had it over a year now, and he'd done a full stage 1 detail, and it looked amazing. But like he said to me there and then, he was like, "This is going to need a stage 2. There's marks in this car that that the stage 1 won't get out." And I was like, "Yeah, fair enough, no worries." So book it for another stage 2 again. Well, book it for a stage 2 and get a little bit deeper and get those marks that a stage 1 won't get out. So that's what he's done today and yesterday. Basically gone in and got all those marks that from the previous owner, that like just carelessness with a black car. Like they mark so easily, and you really I couldn't believe how careful you have to be with it to not mark it. Whee! None of it is. Young man. I'm going to pick my car up.
Whose is that, please?
No, it's Sean's. That's the one that was at Snet. How rude. How very dare you. Anyway, Snetterton on Sunday was a good laugh. Probably by the time I put this bit of the video out, you will have already seen that I went round the track in this. A few little hot laps. Got some good footage for the first 2 laps, and then I didn't realise, well, I was told when I come back in that you're not meant to hold the camera. It's got to be mounted, dual mounted. So I've got some good lap footage that I shouldn't really have, but right near the end, a guy called Alex that was there with us, he had a big off, like ripped his car off. It was a 3 Series, I don't know if it was 335 or 330, but he, the first corner of Snetterton, if you know it, quite a fast right-hander, he's gone round, he's lost the back, and he's gone off, smashed up the right side. I've got a photo of it I'll put here somewhere, but yeah, that is done. And I was just, like I say, just speaking to Callum on the phone, he reckons that he's concussed and stuff, so hopefully he's alright. Like at the time he just like bruised up his arm and that, but I'm glad he's alright. But he yeah, apparently cracking the windscreen from him headbutting the windscreen, and cracked the rear side window. Yeah, pretty naughty crash. But yeah, we're nearly at Sean's now. We just had to take the scenic route because it's rush hour and the traffic will be minging everywhere. Come on, I want to send it before we go, before I give it back. You're ruining my experience. Final send. Here we are. Here she is. This looks bloody naughty. Hey Pooch. Hey dude. Oi oi. Looks super clean. The boot lid looks so much better. She's back. A little bit of a change of scenery. I don't know what the lighting's like in here because it's getting dark, but she is back and I am warm. Sean has absolutely smashed it with this, honestly smashed it. You'll see from some of the cleaner footage it's just immaculate. Like, it is immaculate. Oh, actually no. Hiccup. Yeah, he's smashed it. Absolutely. It's raining now, which is a bit annoying, but he basically stage 2'd the whole car, put some turbo sealant stuff on, and then waxed it, so it's beading really well for the rain and stuff, which is sweet. But like the shine, he's like, when he brought it out onto the driveway, his car's clean, like really clean, and then you see this next to it and I was like, dude, this is a completely different car. It's madness. Like the how you don't think, especially with black as well, that it can go dull because it's a dark colour, but it, like, trust me, like when you see, I didn't get any before pictures or anything, so I can't really tell the difference side by side, but just having it like this now is just so much glossier, and hopefully I can stay on top of it now. I've got 2 wash mitts, so I've got to get another bucket so I can wash, so I can have a rinse bucket and a wash bucket, because that's a must. But yeah, I've just got to keep on top of it. I bought some of this Optic Show Wax. Cool. Naughty. I'm always so careful with it as well. That's the most annoying thing. I'm so careful with it, and then like someone will go and brush up against it or something like that, and it just, you can see it, like just people being careless. I had a cat claw mark on my rear door. Like, what the, how? It's like they'd had a row underneath it and shot up the side to escape and ended up carving me door up. Woohoo! I missed it, missed them cracks. But yeah, she is shiny, very shiny. And I'm pumped that he got it in so quick and like just smashed it as well. That's the thing, like it's been in his garage for 2 days and like, you know, all can't even say it, extensive lighting, yeah, just to make it look nang again. See, I don't know if this is going to be the last bit of the video, but I'm going to chime it out here, say thanks for watching, like and subscribe and all that, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.